Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of a raised foot. We have done other videos with feet, so please do check those out as well. They're just essential study in anatomy, but this will be quite simple. We're showing it from an angle that will be useful, so from the back, from the ankle view. So that is the shin and the calf area right there. And we come down and let's place the foot somewhere around here. So if you just go like that and downward, just go like that, just put that kind of shape in, or you could even go like that all the way. So that and this, and we will work inside this area right here. So let's get the shin out of the way. We have the ankle somewhere here, a little bulge there. Mostly that is the case, but certain feet are different than others, so we're just going to do something that is down the middle when it comes to a raised foot. So not a very bulky foot, not a very thin foot. We're just doing the standard and something in between in terms of a raised foot. So there's the small toe, there's the raised heel, and there is the front step right there. So you could segregate this in a way and go like that and put that little toe there. That's how they usually do it. Now the anatomy of this will vary according to how bulky the foot is, what kind of a person it is, how heavy he is, and if the toe here has more definition. I mean, you have to try all those things out in Google. I'm just doing a standard thing here. So there are some toe lines right there. In many cases the heel is not that bulky. It could be more like a slim heel, and for that matter a slimmer foot, which is okay. It's easier to sketch. So a light source from above would mean that right around the bulge we have that tone falling in, just like we have right under the ankle right there, and a bit here, just a bit caused by the shin. And then I'm working and putting some tones here, and then again around the bulge here some tone would really help, unless it's very rough or very chaffed skin. That is the way it usually works. Just checking some messages there. So, but then in the what you call the heel here, again it depends on the light source, of how intense it is, of how. So if I do something along that line of smudging, won't necessarily be that way, but it will be somewhere along those lines. Again, this is seen from the heel view. I'm going to get rid of some excess lines there because they're interfering with us. We could hopefully see this a little better. Now around here, put in more tone. Sometimes this comes right inward, and you could show a bit of the toe here. Again, all depending on what the setup of the foot is. And then along these lines, perhaps some skin lines will help right here, because the skin under the foot is usually soft. So depending on how much curled the foot is, you might want to put in some skin folds here. And if you have to make it more realistic, of course, you will just keep working until you have more tones going in. But that is the, let's say that this is on a floor, so it's going to probably cast an immediate shadow. Well, this is a shadow just for that foot alone, which is not realistic, because if the body is raised above it, there will be a lot more shadow right around, and it will really work. But that is the general idea. And of course, if it is a bulkier foot, let's say, it might help to just bring that up a little bit there, and you'll have to, of course, bring the rest of the apparatus up as well, like this, or maybe the placement of the toes and how much they're curling. So just putting an extra tone there, because that's usually how around the bulge tones set in when working against the shadow. So that is a raised foot seen from the heel view. I mentioned ankle view in the beginning, but it's a heel view. So we'll do in the future ones from the toe and ones from the side. Really helpful exercise in anatomy. Please do keep in touch. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Have a wonderful day.